So if you've ever watched my videos, you probably heard me mention how I almost never lost contracts with my cleaning business. And I also really only wanted to clean carpeted offices, okay? Like I never really wanted to work with restaurants or anything with a lot of hard floors. And so in this video, I want to tell you why I made that choice and why me making that choice made me successful.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
On YouTube. So I want to tell y'all about something I learned from the guy Evan Carmichael on his YouTube channel. He made a video a little while ago about working towards your strengths, and I thought it was a good idea, and I told him that I will implement that in my business, and it's actually paid off because what I like to do, like, you know, when you come up in school, they teach you if you're weak in that area, you need to practice more in that area. Like if you got a low graded math, they tell you need to study harder in math because you're weak in that area. But now, as we're grown and we in careers and stuff, it's actually the opposite. It's like if you get in the A and you're doing great in a certain subject, then you need to just focus on that subject because that's your strength. You know what I mean? There's no need to keep trying to focus on. It's like you take a rapper, for example, and I always use Jay-Z. I'm gonna use him again. But he can't sing, but he can rap. So if somebody was to come over to him, well, you'd be great if you could sing, and he was to try to go sing, that would tear up his whole career because he can't. You know what I mean? So instead, he focus on what he can do. You know what I mean? He ain't a beat maker. He don't write this. He not a beat. What do you call it? Producer? So he not an engineer. He rap, and that's what he do, and he does it well. So I say you work to your strength, and I tell you what I did in my cleaning business. Like I don't take any accounts that are in the daytime. I don't take accounts that have floors, like majority floors instead of carpet, and I don't take accounts that have people there while I'm trying to work because I don't want to have to work around people, because I like to work towards my strength. And I realized, like, I had one account that had all three of those things, and it's a headache. So I told myself after that, you know what, no more of those types of accounts because it could be detrimental to my reputation. And I got a pretty good reputation. So, like I was telling the account manager at the master franchise office over here where I am, I was telling them I'm the Mayweather of this thing because they say Mayweather pick and choose his fights. And that could be true or false, but the bottom line is this: he got a 0 in the loss column. And that's where I'm at. I don't get complaints. You know what I mean? If somebody has some feedback, one of my customers has some feedback, which they very rarely do, but even when they do, they come to me first. So to me, it's not a complaint if they're coming to me instead of the franchiser. So my point is, pick and choose your battles and work towards your strength because it just makes sense. You know what I mean? It just makes sense. I had them offer me, what, $1,000 a month account, and it was a morning time account. I didn't take it. Then they turned around and offered me, just like a week ago, they offered me like a $600 a month account, and it was Monday through Friday, and it was, but the problem was the hours was between 4 a.m. in the morning to 7 a.m. in the morning was the window. Like, it only took about an hour to clean, but that window, you had to do it within that window right there, and it was like, that's ridiculous because, yeah, I could send somebody out there to go clean it for me, and I could send a 3-man crew out there, but at the end of the day, at some point, I'm going to have to get out there and go do it. And I'm not getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning. It's going to seem too much like work. I could have stayed at my job for that. You know what I mean? So anything that feels too much like work to me, I don't do it. And if it doesn't fit in my criteria that I listed earlier, I don't do it. And that's what I recommend to you. Like, so that's $1,600 worth of a business that I turned down. And it's nothing to it because at the end of the day, you know, accounts come and go. It's nothing to go out there and get accounts. And that's the difference between a job and being self-employed or a business owner, is because you can give yourself a raise whenever you want to. I turned around and I got another account on top of the one. I told y'all guys I got the one when I lost the house account. I got one account. Then I just got another account the same day that I turned down that $600 a month account. So that's 2 more accounts just like that. So it's nothing to go give yourself a raise when you're self-employed or a business owner versus being employed where you gotta beg somebody else for a raise. Out here, I can just go get a raise. If I want a raise, I just go out and go get an account. That's how it works. So anyway, I just want to give y'all that note that I learned from Evan Carmichael. You can check out his channel too. I used to watch it every morning. He does a little series called Espresso. I guess it's like your morning shot of entrepreneur espresso, so to speak. But I stopped watching it full of while just because it was too dreamlandy, if you will. So it got a little old to me, but it's still good material, good stuff. And he always posts motivational stuff, so I think you should check out his channel too. So, but anyway, remember, work towards your strengths. And I thank y'all guys for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thanks.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.